What is happening, guys? It's really been a long journey, but we're getting there slowly, okay? Okay, in this video, we're gonna be talking about reporting, okay? There are like three, I don't know if I would put them that way, three broad, areas of reporting. We have the basic reporting, we have the reporting for exams, and then we have the tabular reporting. So when I mean the tabular reporting, any tabular view which you see, you can always generate report from it. Okay, you can always generate reports from every table view which you see. You can always generate reports from them. So I can generate reports, can generate reports. So that's like the tabular report generation. Then we have the basic reporting. So this uses some syntax like the structured query language SQL. So for those that are really familiar with that, this is really gonna be a piece of cake. Okay, for those that are not familiar with, it's really not difficult. Okay, because it just follows some kind of English grammar if you look at it. So to make this easy, I can say I just want to generate reports for these. I can say, okay, I want the first name. This is always selected. I want the last name, the gender, and then the phone number, and then I can just click view report, and then it shows me the report. Now I can generate this report in PDF, or I can generate it to Excel. Okay, if you want to do for the statistics or formatting properly before you print, yeah, you could do that. Now I could do a few other configurations. So let's say I just want to see only female, so only the females. Okay, so where the gender is female, so I just view, so these are just only the females, and I have about 802 of them. Okay, I could say I want to see those that belongs to a particular group, to the imports group, or I just want to see those that belong to the retail subgroup. It's there's a lot of customization in this. We put a whole lot of time into this, so there are a lot of features. So I'm probably going to demonstrate something soon. There have been, a lot of settings. Those that have an image, they don't have an image, have been approved to start a particular exam. You can actually see those that have been approved to start, like let's say the mock exam. Those that are or that has not been approved to start. So those that have been approved to start the mock exam, we can see that there are two students that were assigned, and then they also been approved to start. And the group by, it's really not required in this case. It's if you want to group by a particular, by default it groups by the what's it called, the code, but you could group by a number of features. So let's say I want to group by gender, for instance, and let me just take this off. Okay, I want to group by gender, and I don't know if I don't have any matching fields in having right now. Why would I want to group by gender? Is if I want to see some form of statistics and all the rest of them. It's just gonna pick up just two. Okay, and so yeah. So there's basically a lot. You could also want to sort by a particular field. So you want to sort by last name first or first name first. You can say ascending order or descending order, so you could actually see them in ascending order. We selected the phone number, but that basically doesn't apply in this case. We could say we want to see email instead. Okay, for those that have emails, we're just gonna see them. Okay, for those that have emails, we're gonna see them. And so that's it for like the basic reporting. You can customize it whenever you want. Now the other one is reporting for exams. We can either do that by coming to reporting and say build for a particular exam, or we can go to the exam itself and right click on it and say build reports. Okay, now it looks pretty similar. It's just that we have more fields that are tailored to exams. So we can see things like exam start time, the answered question, the total score. So we can say we want to see the total score for this exam because it's for the mock exam. So we want to see those so we can see the total score. We can always generate this report. I think I'm supposed to have generated one at least. So I'm just gonna save one over here. I'm just gonna say reports one. Okay, I'm just gonna save one and then let it open up, and then we can see how it generates. We can also customize the report. Okay, I don't know if you can see this properly. Okay, give me a second. So let me probably close this, and yeah, in closing it we can get to see a little bit more for the reports. Okay, you know, what's wrong with this? Okay, so we can see the report, custom report. We can change the title if we customize the report, so we can change the title. We can say this is a report for those who finish the exam. Okay, we took this exam, and you could also add custom fields. So if for instance you want to do something like an attendance sheet, an official attendance sheet, so you could like say sign in, and then you can call this one sign out, add some kind of custom fields to that. You can say okay, generate, and we can just call this report to, and save it, and then yeah, we can see the report too. So this is the title which we gave it, and then we have the sign in field, and then we have the sign off field. So you can add custom fields up to 3 fields if you want to do that. Okay, I can also say that let me just leave this. I can also say that I want to see the examining images as well. I'm just gonna advise that you probably stay away from a lot of images if you're generating a whole lot of students, because it can take a whole lot of time. Because what happens is there are about 4 processes used to process an image. Let me just generate this. Now the first thing it does is it retrieves the image from the server. Okay, I can say report 3. It retrieves the images from the server. It converts it to the right format. Okay, and then it compresses it so that the file size is not so good, and then it also resizes it to fit this very box over here. So if you're doing that for hundreds or thousands of students, it's really gonna take a long time, and it might appear like the reporting is stuck. So you might want to stay away from a lot of images, from personal advice. Okay, all right. um yeah, we could do that, and so let us see something we can do. So for instance, we want to generate the kind of report that says we want to know how many females scored above 50. Okay, so we could do this. Well, we don't have, our total score is not up to 50, so we might just how many students scored above 5, that kind of thing. So I can say where gender is female, okay, and having total score greater than or equal to 5, I can view that. So we can see Anna is the only female over here, that scored above 5. So you can use this to do some kind of short listing if you want to do. Okay, you can use it to do some kind of short listing if you're using it for like scholarship purposes. Okay, you can. There's a lot of features. Okay, which this supports. You can have in different centers. You can have exams scattered all over the country, and then you aggregate them in one manager, and then you do your shortlisting. Okay, that is very possible. Okay, we have a number of persons that already requested the features, which are using it, and then we created that already. So you can use this for a whole lot of large shortlisting if you want to do that. So you can also, say you want to find out how many students are in a particular class. So we can do something like where class is equal to, I don't know, something like GSS1, you know. So I can take this off. So where class is equal to GSS1. So apparently we don't have anyone there that is in GSS1, but that is for mock exam. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna, because I don't remember who. So let me just go to the basic report, and then I would say where class. Okay, yeah, I want to see the class. So we're saying where class is equal to, I think, GSS1. So want to see. So we just had one person that is in JSS1. So you can also use something like a wild card that is like JSS, and then we put a percentage sign here. So basically, we're trying to say we're trying to match JSS anything. Okay, so we're probably supposed to see JSS 1, 2, and 3 in this case. So you can do a lot of reports generation and report customization using the manager, and it's a whole lot. It's gonna take I don't know, several hours if we're to go through all this reporting, but you can just go through it, explore if you have any issues. We have the forum. You can also send us a mail, and then we can also try to help you as well. Yeah. Before I go, well, you do not need the percentage sign for this. This also works as well. But I didn't talk about cascading this, so we can actually say where you know, and then using this plus sign, we can actually add some other things. So we can say where this is this, and or you can change that to an or. So it's like English, actually say where this condition is met or this condition is met. So either or, and then want to see a report based on that. Or we can say where both of these conditions are met. So we're kind of trying to say this person is in this class and the gender is male. So we want to see all those that are in GSS class and they are male as well, as in they are males. Okay, so we want to view this report. So we can see that there are two male students in GSS. One is in GSS 3, one is in GSS 2. Apparently, it means that we're only left with one female, in this category, and that's Anna. Okay, we can always cascade as well, so you can even put with it, so it builds like a tree. Okay, you can end up building some complex structure and going as much as you want. So anyone you do not want, you just take it off, and yeah, you can just remove everything from the tree as well, from the root of the tree. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.